In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change accent in HeyGen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and which options to use to shift an avatar's voice into the accent and style you want, all without getting lost in menus. Start by opening the HeyGen homepage in your browser. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Avatar. This takes you into the area where you work with avatars and their voices, which is exactly where accent changes live. Next, select New Video. Think of this as opening a fresh project so you can configure the voice from the ground up. In the editor, locate the current voice label. Click the name of the voice to open the voice selector. This is your control center for choosing a different accent or creating a custom one. If you already use a particular voice regularly, this is where you can switch it out or refine it. Inside the voice options, you'll see different pathways. One is clone your voice. Choose this if your goal is to keep your own natural vocal identity and later shape it with a different accent feel. Cloning captures your timbre and speaking style. If you go this route, make sure you have the appropriate rights and that any recordings you use are your own. Another pathway is design a voice. Click that to craft a synthetic voice from scratch with the accent you want. This is the most direct route to an accent change. Here, you'll be prompted to describe the voice you're aiming for. In the voice prompt field, type a clear, detailed description. Mention the accent and region like Neutral American, Southern US, received pronunciation British, Australian, or Indian English. Add guidance on tone and delivery such as warm, confident, friendly, crisp diction, measured pace, or energetic cadence. If it matters for your use case, include traits like mature or youthful, deeper or brighter, and moderately paced or slower for clarity. Keep it specific but concise, and avoid naming real people. A prompt like warm professional British RP accent, clear enunciation, medium low pitch, moderate speed gives the model strong direction. If you already have a voice from a compatible provider, click import from third party. This lets you bring in a voice you know and like, often a quick way to lock in a preferred accent while keeping your existing branding consistent. That's it. You've navigated to Avatar, started a new video, opened the voice selector, and either cloned, designed, or imported a voice using a focus prompt to steer the accent. Use brief test lines to validate the result and fine-tune your description if needed. With these steps, you can confidently set the accent that best fits your message.